So I have this little bird escorting me, and watch how he's gonna come on the other side of the street, making sure that I leave. Guys, this is not a trained bird. This bird is following my car. I'm not kidding. This bird is walking right beside my car. Okay. All right, enough. What the? Does it think? Okay, get away from. Wait, now he's not letting me leave. He's standing in front of my car. Okay, move. Get away. All right, this is crazy. This thing is literally following me out of the cottage, walking right beside the car. Guys, I don't have any food in my car. I don't have anything. He's just walking right beside the car. Okay, go home. Wow. He's still... Wow. He's still following me. Okay, he's not following me anymore. Actually, he is. He's watching. That's crazy. That's amazing.